They come up on him and they hit him again when he's down in the water.
The attorney for Nicolae Miu delivering his opening statement to the jury today. It is day one of the long-awaited trial. Miu charged with stabbing multiple people on the Apple River in western Wisconsin back in July of 2022. And
among the charges, one count of first-degree murder. Paul Blume has been following this case since day one and has been following the trial today. Paul?
Yeah, Councilor Randy, good evening to both of you. In fact, we are here in our live streaming center where we are tracking this case gavel to gavel on our Fox 9 digital platforms. And we've had two very different stories emerging from that deadly stabbing encounter on the Apple River that hot summer day now nearly 2 years ago. And for the very first time, we are seeing the cell phone video that captured much of what happened when the defendant, Nicolae Miu, stabbed 5 younger tubers, killing 17-year-old Isaac Schumann.
What is he on? Whoa! Whoa! What are you talking about?
And this is a portion of that video, about 16 seconds. Total 3.5 minutes or so. It was quick, loud, chaotic, a confrontation in the middle of the river there, July 30th, 2022. We had 3 different group of tubers, 2 of them really converging on Nicolae Miu, who was then alone as he used snorkeling goggles to apparently search the river looking for a lost cell phone. The younger tubers appeared to question Miu's motives and engage with him, calling him names, yelling at him, screaming. Miu had a folding knife in his pocket. At some point, you can see him pull it out and really subtly stab the 5 people who ended up in close proximity to him. Miu's legal team calling it self-defense, that he feared for his life there in the water. Prosecutors, meanwhile, laying out a cold-blooded, senseless act of violence that could have been avoided, they argued, if Miu had just walked away.
You're going to hear that there's 6 victims in this case. 1 that was punched, 5 that were stabbed. And you're going to hear from all those victims except Isaac Schumann. That's because on July 30th of 2022, Nicolae Miu killed him.
Nick Miu standing in the river with 13 strangers. 13 drunk, angry strangers. 13 against 1. They yelled and they screamed in order to attract a crowd. They got a crowd. They told lies to make the crowd angry.
Did you threaten him in any fashion?
No, not at all.
Did you hear Isaac Schumann threaten Mr. Miu in any fashion?
No.
Did you yourself have any kind of knife?
No.
Did you see anybody in your group with any kind of knife?
No.
Is it fair to say you were calling him some names?
Yeah.
And there you go, a little taste of the first day of trial in this Apple River stabbing case dating back now nearly 2 years. In addition to the opening statements, we did hear from 2 state witnesses. You heard at the end there from Ryan Nelson. He's a close friend of Isaac Schumann, who was there tubing that day. Witness testimony now resumes tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. We, of course, will be here throughout. Paul Blume, Fox 9.
All right, thank you, Paul.